In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a location from Waze. With just a few steps, you can tidy up your Waze app, ensuring that only the most relevant locations are saved, keeping your navigation experience smooth and organized. Let's start with how to delete a saved place, like a favorite, home, or work location. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. It's always a good idea to ensure your app is up to date, as this can help avoid any functionality hiccups. Once it's open, tap on the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This will bring up your search panel. Next, navigate to Saved Places. Here you will find a list of locations you have previously saved, like your favorite places or frequent destinations. Look through this list to find the place you want to remove. Once you've found it, tap the three dots located right next to this location. This action will open a small menu. Simply choose Remove or Delete from this list. And there you go, that saved place is now deleted from your Waze account. Next, let's move on to how to delete a recent search or recent destination. Again, begin by opening the Waze app. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and tap on the search bar. This is where you'll find a list of recent searches or destinations you've entered into Waze. Scroll through these to find the specific one you'd like to remove. If you're using an iOS device, simply swipe left on the location you want to delete. For Android users, the process involves pressing and holding the location instead. This gesture will prompt an option to remove the destination from your recent list. Tap Remove. And just like that, your recent search is cleared. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your Waze locations, ensuring your navigation app only keeps the information that's most important to you. Having a clutter-free application enables you to find what you need faster and ensures your app runs faster too. Remember, staying organized not only helps streamline your navigation experience, but it also gives you peace of mind knowing exactly what information your app is storing. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to refresh your Waze settings. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this tutorial helps you maintain a cleaner and more efficient Waze app. Safe travels and happy navigating!